So hello guys, so welcome to a new video. So in this video we will explain with for program number 2. So as usual we will first see the program and then we will write the code for this program. So let's see the program. In this program week 4 program number 2 we have to write a Java code for the we have to define an interface appraisal that has the following default member like a default method default void appraisal teacher t that's increment the salary of an employee by as to pass per divided by 100 into 5000 and abstract method public abstract void check and update salary, right? So first we need to define appraisal method. So public interface appraisal, and in this we have to define a default method. So default void appraisal method, and it will take a teacher object. And in this what we have to do, we have to increment the salary of employee by, yeah, right. So what is employee is a teacher, so we need to increment. So for increment what we need to do, first we need to get the salary of that particular teacher, right? So what we will do, uh, what we will do for that t dot get salary, right? And then plus what we have to do, we have to increment by this. So student pass per is a s2 pass per is a private instance variable, so we can't access in interface outside the teacher class. So how to get this one, we can get from by using this method get to pass per, right? So what we will do, and yeah, this one. So what we will do, we will get pass and divided by 100, right? Divided by 100 and into 5000, right? So this type we can do, but this is the only increment part, right? We have to also set for the teacher. For that what we will do, we will call the set salary method of a teacher, right? So what we will do, t dot set salary, and then this one, whatever we have to increment, right? And after this we have to define abstract method, which is public abstract void check and update salary. So this is abstract method, so we have to give only signature, not implementation. So we will do the public abstract void check and update salary, right? So we did that. And next it is saying define an interface, a special appraisal that extend appraisal and has the following members. So we will define a special appraisal interface. So public interface, a special appraisal, and in this what we have to do, so in this, yeah, we have to define a default method avoid a special method increment the salary of, yeah. So in this a special appraisal interface, what we have to do, we have to define a default method. So default void and sp appraisal, and it is also taking a teacher object, and we have this same we have to also do in this method, but instead of 5000 we have to do 10,000, right? 10,000, yeah. So we are done with this. Next it is saying class teacher. So class teacher then claim the special appraisal has the following member. So class teacher special, yeah. So class teacher already have defined in the program statement, so we do not need to do anything in the class teacher, so we will nothing do. Yeah, you can read this about yourself, and then we will move to class interface test. So we will go here, and yeah, that has the following member. You should define method public static void print update teach list, which is taking array of teacher object. So we will define here. So it is saying, so public static void print update teach list, and it will take teacher array t list, and then what is saying, iterate over array t list and invoke method check update salary on each teacher object, right? So what we will do, we will traverse the t list which is of object like teacher object type. So for teacher, sorry, teacher t in t list. And what we will do, for each teacher we will invoke check and update salary method, right? So what we will do, t dot check update salary method, right? Yeah, we have done with this statement, and then we will move to forward. So in this it is saying then iterate over t list and display each teacher object, right? So again we have to traverse for teacher t t list, right? And this time what we have to do, we have to display the teacher object. So we will go in the teacher class and see that in this class is there any method to display the teacher object or not. So yeah, so here it is. So we will invoke this method for each object of teacher, so that this method can display the teacher object, like what is the name and salary and has to pass per, right? So what we will do, t dot to a string method we will invoke, and then in the last main method has the following functionality. Main method already defined, so we do not need to do anything in that. I think we are done with our coding part. Yeah, so let's run and see the output. I think it is giving me like interface appraisal public should be declared in a file name, so there should be only one public interface of class. So yeah, and let's run again and see what is the error. Cannot find symbol get to pass per. So just a minute, huh? Yeah, so there should be t dot get to pass, and the next is cannot find symbol appraisal method appraisal teacher. So in which line? It is 49. So in the 14, the same. Let me do this. Appraisal teacher. Yeah, so we need to extend here. Extend, I'm sorry. Extends appraisal. Appraisal. So I think this should not give any error. Let's see. Again error. 5, line number 5. Yeah, so here should also t dot, and cannot find teacher t list. Yeah, there should be t list. T list. This one, and also this one. And it is nothing, so where we have done mistake, so that it is not giving an answer, it is returning, right? So I think we have to do here system.out.print, so that system.out.println and then t dot to a string, because that is returning, not the printing. So I think this should give an expected output. Yeah, this one gives the expected output. So let me submit and see if the private cases are passing or not. I think it should pass because we have done all the, yeah, it's did. Yeah, all the private cases passes. So yeah, we have done with four question 2. So let's move. So thank you so much.